What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Hermes haul, so if you would like to see, then please keep watching. Okay, so this is going to be like a collective haul. I have went into Hermes over the last few months and have gotten these items. I wanted to show you these items first. So Kim is my essay, which I love her. She gave me a gift the last time I was in there. And this is this little, it looked like an ornament. Inside, I think it's a perfume. Yes, so it's a miniature perfume. So let's get this open. What's in the tissue paper is a mini perfume. So that is super cute. In that same gift were these two little boxes. So in these two little boxes are some perfumes. One is a rose one and one is, I want to say, amber. So this one is like a pinky color, and this one is an orange color. So I'm really excited to smell these fragrances. I actually don't own any Hermes fragrances. I don't really like Twilly because I'm not a fan of the ginger, but I am going to try these. I'm really excited that she gave me this. In that gift also came a travel size brush, which I'm really excited to try this out. I always look at the Hermes makeup brushes when I go in, and I still haven't bought any, but I really want to because I am a huge makeup brush girl. Also gave me this, which is a coffee table book that she gave me for my mom. So I'm gonna give this to my mom, but it is just so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this small box right here. So this is a Twilly. I kept seeing a Twilly used as a shoulder strap for the mini Evelyn. So I got this one and I think it is so pretty. So I really wanted it because it did have some dark purple in it. And so it says Hermes Paris in this little purple, what is this, like a tag? Purple stars right here. I just thought it was really beautiful. In this box right here, I got another one of these H-Click bracelets. Oh, I want to mention that I bought this ring as well. I will leave it on the screen. And then I also bought this kind of like rope bracelet. It comes in this dust bag, and here it is. So this is a click bracelet, but it is black and gold. So how pretty is that? So now this is a scarf, and Kim, my essay, gave me these little cards on how to tie your scarf because they can be worn in so many different ways. I want to say this is the 90 scarf. So yeah, so I kind of want to wear it like as a top. Like, I think that's super cute when girls do that. And look at how pretty. So I loved it again because there is a lot of purple in this. Of course, my camera died when I was showing you this scarf. So I really love that it was majority pink and purple. I'm not quite sure which one is. These feel lighter, so I'm gonna wait on these. Hopefully I am unboxing the right shoes. No, I'm not. Leave this one, and we're going to open this one next. So these are some sandals. And these are the white Arans. So I'm really excited to have white now. I have black and I have the orange shearling. But yeah, I really wanted white because I think they'll be really pretty in the summertime. They are really comfortable and I really feel like they are worth it. I get my Arans that are the classic leather. I get them in a 37. Speaking of Arans, these were my favorite. I am so obsessed with these. So if you know me, my favorite color is purple, but it is light purple. But when I saw these, I just fell in love with them. Get two separate dust bags. And I am obsessed with these. Aren't these so beautiful? Arans, but they're furry. And I got these in a 36 and a half because they do kind of run bigger. You can wear these out. These can be bougie house shoes, whatever you want to do. They are so worth it and they're so comfortable. I know that we are coming into the colder months. Where I live, it's already cold. But I saw these, and if you are into Hermes, you know that these sandals are very hard to come across. I was in the store a few days ago. They actually had my size in these. So I was really excited to pick them up. So I finally got them. The two separate dust bags again. And these are the chi-free sandals, and they are in black. And these are actually really comfortable. I like that you can adjust this strap. I think I am going to have to adjust this. I think they are so cute. A lot of people either love or hate these, but they're always sold out. So I think more people love them than hate them. To wear these, I kind of already want another pair. I think I want the shearling one. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.